Forgot to press record. There we go. Now we can get started. Today is Monday, the 17th of 2021. We're back for another stream. Hopefully you all are doing well today. It is auto update day, and we have a whole bunch of pull requests that got generated because pre-commit hooks, which basically everyone uses, got bumped to 4.0.1, or 4.0, although everyone should skip 400. So anyway, how's it going, JJMC and Arc-like Slavic? You guys are the only ones here so far. So must be the Twitch notifications aren't working. It's fine, whatever. So I guess we'll get started by looking at the graphs and seeing how those went, and then I have a bunch of open source stuff, and we'll jump into that. But how y'all doing today? Hopefully your day's going well. My sound's right. Okay, cool. So the first thing we're going to look at is our CloudWatch dashboard for auto update. See how that went. We've got one in the dead letter. This looks pretty fine. Interesting. So this was me running a deploy this morning. But if we zoom in on the auto update shape here, Arc-like Slavic says, is there a CI system for auto update for requirements.txt? So Dependabot does that, if you're okay with how Dependabot works. I find Dependabot to be kind of annoying sometimes, but it mostly works. Looks like this scaled up fairly well. Auto update ended here, and then this spike is probably when I merged my pull requests, and it looks like it scaled up and then down and then handled that. Queue was pretty far back, the 450 back, but it solved it within 10 minutes or so. It's not terrible. I guess let's look at the we'll look at the dead letter first. Actually, I absolutely hate Dependabot. Yeah. Yeah, same. It's like really annoying in ways that I can't really put a finger on. Alright, what is our... That's probably another banned account. Huh. No, I don't think this one's banned. Why did you fail, Sphinx Toolbox? What is the repository? Sphinx not found page. Does that repo not exist? Sphinx not found page. It's a fork. Weird. Their pre-commit config is a symlink. Huh. Why is their pre-commit config a symlink? Oh god. I don't know. I don't think this is gonna work. What is common? Read the docs common. Huh. Well then. I wonder... Okay, well that's something to fix, I guess. Hey, what's up, girl? Hello. Good to see you. Well, shit. I guess I'm pretty sure I thought of this. I guess I just didn't handle it in code. Maybe I intentionally didn't handle it in code. Let's see. Let's look at the logs. The logs. What happens when it's a symlink? I think there's an assertion error that's like, if it's not a file, it just is like, I don't know what to do. Not implemented. But let's see. Log groups, auto updater. I assume it's gonna be in the latest bucket. Error, assertion error. Assertion error symlink. Yes, so we do have an assertion error there. Oh, it's in that code. Well, we can fix that. Recommit CI auto. Oh, I don't have it cloud. Recommit CI auto updater. Figure out why this isn't working. get grep equals file. Let's see if we need that assertion. Well, we can try hitting the API and see what that looks like. And we're gonna use all repos as GitHub API because that one's easy. GitHub API.rec this slash these things toolbox slash this slash content slash dot precommit config dot YAML, and we don't need any query here. Yeah, here we go. Type symlink target this. We will not have content. Well, that's a little bit annoying. It kind of makes sense. I kind of understood that this was going to happen. But yeah, we are not going to follow symlinks in precommit CI, so I guess we can say if resp.json type equals file, then return repo file. Hey, what's up, Color Marku? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Resp.json SHA. Okay. So we want resp.json target. Actually, we'll probably we'll do this, and then that way, and tab this out. Raise assertion error, unexpected. You know what? We could just raise unexpected type out of this whole thing, and we don't need to add all this data in here. If resp.json type does not equal file, raise invalid. Sol says unexpected Python. What? Don kind of says, yay, I was able to catch the stream. I missed the last one. It's all good. Well, it's good to see you again. How's it going? Hello, hello. What do you mean unexpected Python? I guess we could do not a file error. Resp.json type. Then we gotta make an error for that. That's not a file error. Value error. Then and then what? What is that API? Shit. Get repo file. Get repo file. Except not a file error. GitHub API dot print skipped not a file. Return. Config was not a file. Hey, what's up, Box Ninjas? Hello, hello. Recursive chat, it's good to see you again. Marshall says there's a stream. There is indeed. Welcome, you're at it. I think we also need to do that for this call down here. Marsha, hello, hello. I just said hi to you, but I'll say hi to you again. Oh, that's the oh god, what is that from? It's from like some malware. What is that from, Fallen Cato? What is that? Bonsai Buddy, yeah, there you go. Fucking Bonsai Buddy. Man. I remember that shit. I remember that. Good times, yeah. I was like, hey, what's up, Angel Underwear? Hello, hello. Good to see you. I was like super obsessed with cursors as a kid. I really liked custom cursors. And the shitty thing is, all of the like cursor libraries, like almost all of them were malware. But I was a kid and I fucking loved cursors, so I installed all of the malware. But yeah. A lot of Kipoko's emotes are Bonsai Buddy, how I see. Yeah. Used all of them and shared them on your blog. No, I didn't do that. Yeah, we had a lot of malware cursor software. But then I learned better, and then we purged it all, and then everything was relatively fine. Not like we did anything sensitive or important on those laptops anyways, so. Or on that computer. Wait, what computer would that have been? Because it wasn't our personal laptops. Because by that point, we had figured out that like that was all malware. No, it wasn't Dad's machine. I think we had our own like shitty computer in the basement. We had that old Pentium 2. I think it was on that computer. It wasn't Dad's computer. Yeah, it would have been Dad's old computer, which like didn't have anything on it. Like he took all the hard drives out and gave us like a 1 gig drive or something ridiculous. I think it had like kid pics on it, and that was it. Yeah, carpet's up high today. All right, where? I guess we are just using PR. Let's see, where do we use PR contents? Literally just there. Okay, so we can accept both of these. GitHub API.not a file error. We can ignore both of those errors there. Kipix was so amazing. It was pretty good. Hey, what's up, Stevo Bandito? Hello, hello. Saw a license plate that said Bandito yesterday and thought of you. I wonder if they're 21 Pilots fans. I wonder if that's why it said Bandito. I remember playing a lot of NASCAR pit. Oh man, you were so obsessed with NASCAR. That's kind of embarrassing nowadays, though, right? But I don't know. It was cute back then. Before we realized that like NASCAR is pretty dope. I mean, yeah, but it's also like anyway. Hey, what's up, Half Pete? Hello, hello. Good to see you. All right. So change this to error explicitly and then skip in that case. That looks fine. Skip auto update of configuration, which is not a file. And then we can test this in development and then deploy to prod and then reflush the queue. Fix yet another error. Build lambda deploy. That'll go to I should also run the test. I didn't run the test. We'll run the test too. Car racing is amazing. NASCAR's a joke though. Yeah. I don't watch it, but I know they banned the... Oh, they actually banned the Confederate flag? I'm kind of surprised, oddly enough. Vroom vroom, turn left real good, says Timo Bandito. Yeah. If you want, you can go real fast in the roundabout and pretend it's NASCAR. It's true. It's true. Oh man, it's like kind of hard to tell apart Solus and Marsha because you guys have both picked black or purple names. Okay, so that'll deploy to dev. US Lambda. I have to log in again anyway, don't I? Wait, I can test this without that. Alright, Control Shift N? Yeah, I got it right this time. Holy shit. We did not print for like the first stream in a really, really long time. Amazing. I'm so proud of myself. I had to pause and think about it though, so I don't know if it's really a victory. Okay, so we're gonna take one of these repos and make pre-commit config not a file. Also, we can merge this. Actually, I think I leave this open usually. Yeah, we leave that open. But actually, do I have another repo that's hooked up? I think demo 3? Where's demo 3? Why does demo 3 have a star? It's empty. Who starred this? Oh, Catherine. I guess I could do a demo 4. There. We got it. It got an auto update today from dev. Yeah, we can merge you. Alright, so we're gonna delete this and replace it with a directory. Delete. Yes. And then add file, create no files. So it's gonna be pre-commit config.yaml/lol. So it should crash pre-commit, in theory. So the pre-commit job should fail here. Actually, I don't know what this is going to do. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Well, we found another bug. Uh-oh. God damn it. Oh, now you're yellow. Now I can reach you nice and easily. Hey, what's up, Preox? Hello, hello. Fallen Kato says, when I was younger, I used to rip around my grandparents' huge backyard on my four-wheeler and pretended I was a NASCAR racer. Because I never focused on what was in front of me, I crashed into trees more than a few times. Oh, no. Daniel, do you remember Chuck? Yeah, the asshole guy. Do you remember do you remember what happened with load CI config? Interesting. Okay, well, it's an easy thing to fix. Do you remember what happened with his cousins or his nephews or whatever on their four-wheelers? Chuck is a very hold my beer kind of guy. Kind of name, yeah. Arclight says, I've been delaying working on a legacy Perl application for 2 weeks and now have like 2 days to finish it. Oh no. Oh no. It's fun, but I get so much trouble for destroying the four-wheel repeatedly. Oh, yeah. Well, the TLDR is his nephews were not... We're riding around in four-wheelers, and part of the lot that was fenced in. It was fenced in with barbed wire. And yeah, the kids did not survive. Which is, oh, I should. I think I just got a message from my alert from this failing too many times. All right, let us fix that then. What is that file? Load CI config. So it should raise step error. I'm actually surprised that config v doesn't do this properly. Poppins Milk, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. I think we're actually going to modify how config v works. Yeah. Because if a file doesn't exist, it should... Come on, where config v? Oh. It exists, but it's a directory. Okay, that's easy to fix. Pre-commit slash pre-config v. Wait, no, I think it's still slash config v. Yes. Random Conca says, how's Stripe been so far? It's alright, I guess. It's work. Work is work. When you say four-wheeler, I keep thinking you're saying formula. Me secret formula! Ravioli, ravioli, tell me the formula. Like that. Story about Chuck is a bit long, sad, and just not a story that can be told casually on a normal stream, but he is easily the biggest asshole the world has ever seen. Yeah. Yeah. This guy, like, fucking harassed us for months. And, like, caused several, like, tens of thousands of dollars in damage to both of the homes that, well, the home that we were trying to move out of and the home we were trying to move into. And like phoned us, like harassed us over the phone repeatedly, like would call our phone non-stop all day long and then just like hang up. And what else did he do? He slashed our truck, or our car tires. He sliced open our air conditioner. He like bent all of the lamps on our porch. He rammed in a garage door. And then when we realized that like we did not want to live next to this motherfucker, so we were trying to move. We were trying to sell the house that we had just bought. That was next door to him, and he harassed everyone who came to try and look at the house. And oh man, I don't even know how we sold. How the fuck did we sell that house? Cause like, and the poor fucking souls that purchased that house. Cause, man, what a goddamn disaster. But yeah, that guy sucked. Encounter says, I think I once ran into a tree and part of the front that was already loose flew off into the woods, so I had to go into the woods on my own. Oh no. Well, at least you didn't die, so that's something. Just to see it go down. Oh no. Oh no. Alright, so this should be an easy test. Config v does not exist. Here we go. Test load from file name, not a file. Tempter.join file name. Azure directory. Is that how this works? We'll see. Pytest raises error, adds exception info. JSON loads error. Value.arg0.error message equals file name does not exist. Not quite honest. He probably uses Alpine Linux in production. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, I did answer how work is. Work is work. Hey, what's up, Venus? Hello, hello. Hopefully you've had a good day so far. It's going alright. I mostly fixed test pollution all day, and then eventually gave up and just cheated around the test pollution. Because, like, I don't know, trying to fix 10 years of test pollution in a single feature branch is really fucking shitty. Test pollution? So the idea behind test pollution, well, a good unit test means that you can run it by itself and it passes. And you can run it in any other test after it, and those tests pass. Basically, tests should not interfere with each other. And there are many ways to accidentally introduce test pollution. The easiest is, well, they all kind of involve global mutable state. So touching a global, or, you know, changing how an attribute works, or like mocking and not removing the mock, or there's all sorts of ways to write bad tests that interfere with each other, pollute each other. The particular ones that I were dealing with is there's this technology called Airflow, and it's a DAG-based task manager thing. I don't know. It's kind of hard to explain, but the DAGs are all global. And if you register test tasks during tests, those tasks get registered to the global Airflow DAGs. And so then if you have things that introspect those DAGs later and say, like, oh, everyone should have, you know, a team owner on every single task, and like, if you registered a test task that didn't have an owner, like, suddenly that other test is going to fail, depending on whether the two tests ran in this order or in this order. So I was basically trying to untangle a lot of that shit. But then I kind of gave up and I just took the tests that were likely to be, you know, pollution sensitive, and move them to their own separate process so that they don't have that sort of problem. Class of problems just disappears. I mean, it's still a problem, it's just like not observable anymore. Hey, what's up, Bagel? Hello, hello. Good to see you. I wish our team had time to write tests. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Should this say is not a file? Is that, should I do that? Let's see. What do we do for... How does identify work here? I think identify runs stat and then looks at it. Identify os.stat. lstat. We don't need lstat, we can just stat though. Oh, stat.s is dir. How's this supposed to work? do you work on a specific team or just in general? I work on the Python infrastructure team. So I have a very specific team. There are thousands of engineers at Stripe, so you kind of have to have specific teams. There aren't really people that just kind of float, you know? What about not found? What does it say again? I mean, I think this error message is fine, but it's not really specific. Like, does not exist is not quite right. Because it does exist, it's just not a file. Yeah. Does it include the name of the file? Yeah, it does. It's right here. It has to just be called file name. Let's just replace file name with F. That way it's a little easier to understand from the test what's going on. F does not exist. There we go. Invalid file type? Yeah, and I'm just trying to figure out how to do that nicely. Because, you know, if stat fails, I don't know what value error could come from here. If stat fails, you know what I could do instead is in the open call, I could, Venus says, off topic, are you using Streamlabs in Linux? Because that's proven to be hell. No, I am using Streamlabs on Windows. This is the VM. A virtual machine. F's in the chat, yeah. Hey, what's up, Brotos? Hello, hello. I would suck a fart out of your ass. That's a fucking weird thing to say, brother. What do you mean? Right? What a weird fucking thing to say. How about you gave F as a file, it isn't a file. You're a liar! A liar! Yeah. Yeah, there you go, Jerem. You got the right emote. How should I do this? How should I do this? Hey, what's up, Cyprius? Hello, hello. Steven Dito says, okay. You know, I could just change this message to say is not a file. That way I could do this. Yeah. Isn't a directory technically a file too? Yeah, on Linux. On other platforms, no. Hey, what's up, Box of Ninjas? Hello, hello. Neural says, how dare you assume that we're all humans? Namdi says, can you recommend a free tool to monitor a web app's performance? What are you trying to monitor for? What kind of web app? What is it? Where is it hosted? Free tool. Hey, what's up, Fatajin? Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. Are we human or are we dancer, right? Or are we Minecraft streamer? The Schrodinger's file. API requests. Hey, what's up, Haircut Jimmy? Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Locust works good, says Box of Ninjas. Influx / Grafana strikes me as an option, says Preox. I don't know. For me, like, it's usually whatever hosting platform you're hosting on. Like, if you're on Amazon, you're gonna probably use CloudWatch metrics. If you're on, well, until you outgrow CloudWatch metrics and then you roll your own thing. Soul says, brother, I learned that when you do good hard work in coding, they just give you more work. Yep, 100%. Also, if you do work fast and efficiently, they just give you more work. It's just how it works. Danwash, hello, hello. Hosted on a dedicated server. Okay, so you already have a dedicated server. What are you looking to get out of your monitoring? Like what do you want to see? Yeah, there's Sentry, but it's not free. It's true, it's true. If your coworkers are slower than a snail, they just give you their work. Yep. 100%. Oh, I type in that. Yeah, I understand you want the average request time, but why do you want it? What are you planning to action on it? God damn it. I think it's insured there. Never remember the API here. Yeah, I think it's fine to change this error message. Who knows what's gonna break, but it's just an error message, so who cares? Oh shit. I think that's fine. The app doesn't scale. I mean, I don't know that you're gonna find a free monitoring tool. But if it's a dedicated server, you could just write out your own logs and, you know, aggregate them manually. Honestly, you could use Google Sheets if you really wanted to. that'd be easy freeway. Check is a file. Specifically, check that the config being loaded is a file. What was the error message that we chose? Is not a file. Yeah, I like that. I like that. That'll be fine. Doot doot. Should be more specific. They traded our stories, but I know I'm going to end up with doing both. Ugh. Dinlash says, what extension do you use in your terminal to autocomplete when you type? The tab button? The tab key? I don't know, tab complete's built into Bash. I guess technically it's not, because you have to install Bash completion separately, but package-l. Yeah. So I'm technically using the Bash completion package, but completion is part of Bash itself. This is just a collection of out-of-the-box completions. So that's what I use, I guess. I don't have anything special on top of it, so like, I don't tab complete other stuff. I don't tab complete beyond just file names for the most part, file names and options. Something keeps like, I don't know if they're like washing my windows or something, but like something keeps banging on the walls. Sounds like. Oh, well. Oh, this is fast. It's taking fucking forever compared to pre-commit though. Zoom. Still need to get this build time down. I think I can get it down to this like 100 milliseconds. Fast, yeah, 22 seconds fast. God, I feel like I could just make a general purpose CI system that would be super fast and not have to deal with this shit too. But I also don't want to do that. Seems like that'll work. We can CI go brr? Yeah. What are we talking? Wait, what? My walls can receive bangs without being, bonked, I feel like that's a little bit of a stretch. A stretchy stretch there. Why is this taking so long? Why is most of this job published coverage? Surely that should be like instant. Yeah, this is like less than 1 second. Why is this one taking like 30 plus seconds? This one took 3. What are you doing? Oh, it's done. It's just being annoying. I see. Man, Arclight, you've got Haha Cat too? Man, fucking everyone has it except for me. I just want Haha Cat. Is that too much to ask? I wonder if I can make a keyboard button with haha cat. The lawn people? You have lawn people too? Alright, let's merge this. So learning question, what is published coverage and talks doing? So that's not actually talks, that's Azure Pipelines. So Azure Pipelines has this this coverage stuff built into it. So you can upload coverage and then I don't think I can view it while logged out. Can I view it while logged out? Let's see. Oh yeah, you can view it when logged out. So it gives you, you know, it's not great, but it's built in and it's simple. So this is like instead of using coveralls or whatever, or codecov. But yeah, basically just gives you coverage output. That's what that is. Feloncato says, random question, would it be better for me to start learning how to code with JavaScript and work my way up to more complex ones, or Python? I mean, Python and JavaScript are basically the same, so like I don't know that one is more complicated than the other. Live in an apartment complex, yes, every Monday at 9:30 a.m. on the dot. Nice. Nice. Okay. Okay, check out master, get pull. What changed? Of course I did this backwards. What changed between these two versions? Oh, I added Unicode error? Yeah, I guess then this should be a minor version. Hey, what's up? Bow ties are cool. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. I assume that you are a Doctor Who fan with a username like that. A fan of Matt Smith. Bow ties are cool. Or I could just be completely wrong and you're just like, you just really like bow ties. That's cool too. Hey, what's up, Juan Grancha? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. Let me get my PyPI password. Yes. What do you mean, forbidden? That's some bullshit. Hello? Oh, it worked that time. Bow ties and fezzes are cool? Yeah, there you go. If you rename Talks to Fox, that'd be cuter. So I was actually looking to make a... Don't tell Gavin. I was looking to make a project that was like Talks, but not. Because there's Talks and Nox right now. But there's already one called Fox. I think there's already one called Box. Oh wait, there isn't one called Box. I'm surprised that Box is not taken yet. Maybe it's a reserved name? But maybe I'll name it Box. I wasn't sure the difference between the two. I always thought JavaScript was the easier one to learn than Python. I don't know, I think Python's easier than JavaScript. But they're about the same. They mostly have the same features and same programming paradigms. Mostly. I know like some of the words in what you said there, Cells, but I have no idea. Quick steal the box name? I don't know. Did you say you're gonna name it Bonks? Bonks is available. No, I'm not gonna domain squat. That's lame. That's lame. Precommit CI runner. Hey, what's up, user McName? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. Oh. config v is a transitive dependency? No, it's a top-level dependency. It's just not documented like that. But it really should be. Config v greater than or equal to 3.3.0. Upgrade requirements. So I slept real funny on my neck. So it hurts a lot to do this. I'm hoping it feels better soon. Okay, what do we upgrade? Boto, config v. That's right. And we gotta do a bunch of slow deploys again. God, I was hoping to do some open source today, but I don't know that we'll get to that today. All right. Let's make sure the tests still pass. Oh, they don't. Oh. Because we changed the error message. Missing. Cool. Let's actually add a test for not a file. Let's see, config not a file, just to cover the specific case that we care about. Tempter.join pre-commit config.yaml.ensure dir. That should pass too. Handle when pre-commit config is not a file. And deploy that to dev. You should have slept on a bed instead. I mean, I did sleep on a bed, I don't know. I have an error message that says, "Howdy, fellers and fellerettes. It done be regretting me to be telling you that there ain't no file." Just like that. Just like that, Marsha. -m add gold miner error messages. Them there no be no file. K-Hertz. Wait, it just skipped like half of the message. We'll reread it. Hello, new to the stream. I had a question about py tests. You can declare fixtures in a comp.test.py that applies to all tests located in the same directory, or tests found in folders in that directory. Can you do the same for skipping tests in the same directory? You know, that's a good question, and thank you for the donation. Let's see. I don't know that you can. You might be able to do it with pytest mark. Test conf test.py. Import pytest. Let's just make a fixture. Pytest.fixture def autofix. True. Auto. Print. Hi. Let's see. Subdir. Alright, so this is our tree that we've got. And if we do this, those are our files. Hey, what's up, long range missile? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. And oh god, stop it. Virtual env. Type it out, it's alright. Pip install pytest. If this doesn't work, I have another idea. But I think this will work. Of course, I need to have a colon. Nope, that didn't work. This might work. Yeah, so that'll work. you make an auto use fixture with just skips. Seems like a little bit of a hack. If you want to just do it in a single file, you can use pytest mark. So you can do pytest mark equals pytest.mark.skip. Yeah, so that'll work. Those are kind of your two options, kHz. Auto use fixture, which just does pytest.skip, or you can pytest mark an individual file. You can't do a whole subdir though. But you can do a whole subdir with that cheeky little fixture. There might be a better way to do this. Let's see. Pytest skip. Oh, this is the fucking... God damn it. I don't know why. For some fucking reason, Google really likes this reorganized docs branch, and we have tried to purge this branch so many times, and the docs inside here are outdated and garbage, but there's like no way to turn them off for some reason. kHz, thank you for the sub. Appreciate that. Oh, why this one? This is the actual doc that I want. Okay, skipping tests, skip. Yay. Skip all the tests of a class or module. Yeah, so this is the module level. Skipping files or directories. Oh, can you just raise skip directly from the conf test? Maybe I'll just raise it from the conf test. Let's try that. Pytest.skip. Well, I clearly didn't do what I wanted. That just skips everything. So I definitely don't want that. Yeah, so I guess your two options are disable it at the file or use a cheeky auto use fixture is kind of a workaround. But yeah. When I avoid having to decorate all my tests with a mark. Yeah. Oh, I mean, you could use this with conditional skips too, if you wanted to. Also, you would just have to write your condition in here. Fettuccine says, I haven't seen anyone write as fast. Oh yeah, I zoom a little bit. Happens. Silly Button says, what y'all talking about them darn dare files? That about as useful as a trapdoor to canoe. How's it going, Silly Button? It's good to see you. Yeah, typing speed has gotten slower for me. This is probably because I type code quite fast now. Oh man, it was so painful when I was teaching you programming. I'm like, can you like type faster? Oh man. But yeah, you have gotten better. If I could type slower / work slower, I would, but I can't force myself to do so. Yeah, same. Lopsang says, have you heard of or used Ward? Sounds familiar. Is it a Python thing? Python Ward. Testing library? Yeah. Yes, I have used Ward. I did not like it. I don't remember why I didn't like it. Oh, I remember why I didn't like it. Because you'd have to name every one of your test functions underscore, which makes it really fucking hard to search for them. I don't know. It seems fine. Just... I don't really like it. Also, I maintain PyTest, so why would I use anything but PyTest? Then again, I was going to write my own test framework, but... Trip toward a canoe is super helpful. How else am I supposed to get the fish? Yeah, so the way you register tests in Word is everything is done with a string inside of a decorator. That's how you enable tests, which I don't really like. I feel like it's not a good idea. But, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that one you deserve. That one you deserve a real bonk, Marsha. I'll even reach into chat and bonk you for that one. But it's probably fine, Lob saying. I don't use it. Lewis A4C, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. I usually don't bonk, but that deserved bonk. Yeah, it's true, it's true. It's called noodling, so there is actually a thing called noodling. But they use their arms, not their other digits. But noodling for catfish. This is a risky... I feel like this is a risky Google somehow. Does this girl have a shirt on? Okay, she does. Okay, this is fine. Anyway, you basically stick your arm into a catfish den, and it'll chomp your hand, and you hopefully have a glove on, and then you grab its mouth and pull it out like that. That's what noodling is. Yeah. Fishing for catfish using one's bare hands is practiced primarily in the southern United States. The noodler the noodler places their hand inside a discovered catfish hole. Wikipedia is usually safe for work, right? No, they have porn on Wikipedia. We're gonna pre-check this, make sure it's fine. Yeah, okay, we're good. The noodling article on Wikipedia is safe for stream. Catfisting. Oh, that's such a good name for it. Oh my goodness. I'm never calling it noodling again. We're calling it catfisting. Oh shit. That's a chonker. Noodling as a sport. Dangers. Well, yeah, you can fucking lose your fingers. Whether from bite or infection. Danger of drowning. Yeah, you could get caught catfisting. Steve Benita says, "What are you doing this weekend?" I'm going catfisting. I thought it was an activity for the adherents of the flying spaghetti monster. Porn, sir, those are educational photos. Yes. Groovepunk says, does the Babby editor have similar shortcuts as Vim? It has a few Vim shortcuts, but it's more like Nano than anything else. Time to rename Noodle to Catfist? I don't think we can rename Noodle. But, yeah. Angry Athletic Nerd, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. An angry and athletic and a nerd. Yeah, catfisting caught a lot of you in chat off guard. It's pretty little. Well, that's certainly a screenshot right there. Okay, this is done. So now we can requeue web scripts.requeue run. I don't think that worked. Maybe it did. No. I need recommit CIM equals AWS to do that. There we go. Now this bad boy should run and then error. Yep, there we go. Is not a file. Only took 43 minutes to fix that bug. Now I can deploy this to prod. Oh, we should do a normal run. Make sure normal run still works. Not that I expect it to not work, but gotta be thorough. Should automate this at some point, but there's you. Well, that'll do a normal run, right? Surely. Boop. Okay, that looks good. All right, let's deploy to production. Prod. M. Vargas Moran says, I came here because of a picture of a nice southern girl noodling fish in the river. No, we don't call it noodling in this channel. We call it catfisting. It's not noodling. Catfisting. Hey, what's up, Cheps the Max? Good to see you again. What was the new emote image going to use? I don't know. Maybe we'll use it. We'll see. We'll see. Drax says, listen, we might not be getting deep in open source tonight, but we got the gem known as catfisting. Worth it. Yeah, indeed. Oh, catfisting. K-Hurt says, any situations where you'd use Conda over virtual env? I don't really like Conda. So, personally, I would never use Conda. But, it is much more convenient for setting up, data science-y stuff. So, if I was maybe more in the data science-y stuff land, I might consider Conda. But I don't use Conda myself, so. Recommit supports it, but I don't know if it works because I don't actually use it. I assume it does because people haven't complained about it, but I also don't know. Fisting doesn't sound great. Yeah, I don't know that there's a way that Marsha could make catfisting worse. I don't know. Angry Athletic Nerd says double catfisting at parties like a Chad and Stacy. Oh no. Hopefully we get as deep in open source software as those catfisters. Yeah, maybe. Sleepman says we dropped Conda because it was a mess with pre-commit and talks. Interesting. Oh, because of this stupid virtual env shit? Oh my god. I don't know why they didn't just fix that. It's so easy to fix. It's like literally a one-line change in Conda. But I think it was mostly people just being like, not my problem. And then the other people being like, not my problem. And just like, not my probleming back and forth forever. And no one ever fixing it. Which like, happens, I guess. Yeah. Alright, so we actually don't need this to finish to test this other thing. We just need... Okay, so we have directory here. It fails, good. We just need to trigger the auto update from that. Does it look as good as an emote? I think you have to cut out the backgrounds. You have to do a little bit of rotoscoping. You can probably open up, if you have paint.net, you can just use the Magic Wand tool. Paint.net's free. Yeah, MS Paint doesn't have free version, sadly. Or transparency, sadly. Fallen Kato says, need to go take a breather. I'll be back in a bit. I need to stop laughing so goddamn hard about catfishing. So here's the best part, Fallen Kato. You're gonna be trying to fall asleep later tonight, and you're gonna be like, "Oh, cutting sheep, catfisting," and then you're just gonna burst out laughing and not be able to sleep. It's gonna happen. You're just gonna be you're gonna dream about catfisting, and then that sounds weird. Counting catfist. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Did we change Noodle's name to Catfist? I don't think we can change Noodle to Catfist. I don't think we can do that. I'm trying to think of a way. I'm pretty sure I have to log into the console to... Maybe I can do this without logging into the console. Let's see. Alias lambda invoke function name reload. Function name auto update periodic payload curly brace. Hello? Oh, I think I need a dash. Dash standard out. Is it auto updater periodic? Must be. There we go. Okay, so that worked. Then we gotta get the... Is it CloudWatch logs? How do I... Oh, it's AWS logs. Describe log groups, describe log streams. I'm just doing a bunch of work to not log into the fucking console. That's what I'm doing here. AWS Lambda auto updater. AWS Lambda auto updater. Okay. Is this today? 5/18? Yeah, it's gotta be today. And then we gotta do get log record, get log events? Get log events, perhaps? Get log events. What do you take? Log stream name. JQ raw outputs. Dot events dot this dot message. Fuck. Well, it very clearly did not work here. Why is it a list? What? does the fucking endpoint give you a list of a directory listing if you pass a directory? Well, that's weird. That's real weird. I guess I should change it to a symlink. Hey, what's up, M. Vargas Moran? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Oh, I don't know if I can make a symlink from the web UI. Would dreaming of catfisting be? Never mind. Yeah. OMFG, I know that's gonna happen. I'm gonna be suffering trying not to laugh too loud and waking my family. Yeah. M. Vargas Moran says with Hannah and Baron. I don't know who that is. She's too cute for any kind of catfisting. I'll stick with noodling. I don't know who that is. If I ever make an OS, I'm gonna name it Catfist. Oh no. Why? Yeah, AOS is nice. Learn it. Do you know a lot of JQ or just enough to make it useful? Somewhere in between. Somewhere in between. Luther says, I wasn't listening. This is probably out of context catfisting. Wait, you missed the whole catfisting noodling thing? Is that Thrius? Oh, Hannah Barron is the fish noodling girl. Oh, I see. Your room was gonna head out. Well, have a good one. I'll see you around in the future. Okay, so yeah, just watch the clips, Ithrius. There we go. No one tell him. Oh no. Oh no. Alright, do we have this API thing somewhere? Nope. Fortunately, we have this here. Do Sphinx Toolbox open still? We don't. Alright, so let's just take tests. Let's see what we get back. Oh, that's so annoying! It gives you a directory listing. Well, we can solve that problem too as well, but it's not the actual bug I was trying to fix. If not is instance repo.json dict, or it's not a dictionary or it's not a file, then we raise this error. Sure has no attribute JSON. Repo. We don't have any relevant tests here, so just ignore that. The internet is a wonderful place. Yes, indeed it is. Full of catfisting. Okay, so now we can run the invoke again. What was the command I used to get the log streams? Describe log streams. Hey, what's up, Donager? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay, so now we want this one. Yes. Then we want to these. Yes. That's the old code. That's the old code. Right? Yeah, it's the old code. What the fuck? Did I copy paste this wrong? I don't know what's going on. Hey, what's up, Java Papaya? Good to see you. Hello, hello. What else would you want in life except tinkering forever with your Linux vim/emacs? It's Teets says, what are you doing? We are trying to fix something, and I'm looking at the logs here and not a little confused why they are not lining up with what I expect. I expected to see... Alright, so we have to wait until there's one more stream down here. Oh wait, there are 3 streams. I don't know why it ran the old code last time, though. That's what's really confusing. Unless I didn't commit the new code? This is 5544. It should be the newest one. Oh, is it possible that I just grabbed the wrong one? I might just grab the wrong one. I don't know that these are in order. Yeah, these might be out of order. Alright, so we tried 5544. Let's do 0F. There we go. That's what we expected to see, not an error. Oh wait, there's an error up here. Ah, shit. Well. Yeah, of course. So we know it's not a dictionary, so of course we can't access it as a dictionary. It's not a file error, directory. Okay, so let's figure out how to get the right log this time. I think what we can do is we can get out the creation time and sort by that. This is why we test. I mean, we're doing this in dev. This is our testing, because I don't have a good way to test this. But yeah. No one answered me yesterday because you and Python Pie were talking about something or something. What? Should I use NVM to download noded stuff? So, are you going to be using multiple versions? This is the first question. The answer is probably no. You're probably just going to use the latest LTS version, and so you can probably just use node sources PPA, which is what I'm doing. So I have one node set up here. I don't know if it's gonna make it hard to do anything later. NVM's just kind of annoying. It works, but it's kind of annoying. Scribe log streams sort. What's up, Neilon69? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. Order by something. Why would it order by? It's fucking stupid. Order by last time. Okay, so in theory, this should be the one that we want. Oh, did I invoke? 1, 2, 3. There's only 2 there? Wait, I'm confused. I don't think we invoked. We deployed. I don't think I invoked. We will invoke. Now we have 3. I think this is the one we want. Oh, there should be like a colon there. Okay, that's cosmetic. So I don't need to retest that. Alright. And we'll deploy that to prod, then we'll requeue the prod stuff. For now I need to sleep, says Preax. Well, thank you for stopping by. 14-hour day picking project up that got icebox last December. Oh my. Well, thank you for stopping by. I'll see you around. That's node 14.17. Oh yeah, so Ubuntu focal ships with a really fucking old version of Node for whatever reason. Yeah, how's it going? Welcome, Neilon. We need to deploy to prod. I was checking if we dropped frames while doing all this deploying. And prod. Trying to fake me out there, Marsha. I see you. I see you with that. I see you with that F. We don't drop any frames. We're all good. Auto update? Is that what the queue's called? Yeah, there we go. Okay, so that should re-trigger that one. And it should run through and do nothing. Should be in this log here. Skipped, not a file, symlink. Yes! It works. Guys, just take a breather, only made it worse. Oh no. You got cat fisting on the brain. Okay, but anyway, this should be 0 now. Hello? Hello? Oh, it's metrics. That's why it's out of date. I see you trying to troll me, Marsha. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. See? I can see loud and clear that you set the MOTD. Good try, though. Good try. Do you have this, like, string copy-pasted somewhere? I don't even know if that's what it does when it errors anymore. Lol, maybe? Yeah, you totally do. You 100% do. Alright, can you be 0 now? What the fuck? Why aren't you 0? I scrolled up on my server for a couple of minutes to find the last time I posted it. Do you just have like an echo statement that has it in there? Yeah, you could probably use Control R. Is this just because this is like a 5-minute window? Oh, why is it a 5-minute window? Well, it's still one at a 1-minute window. I like how you can have a 12-hour chart of a single number. Come on. I guess we could just look at the SQS dashboard. That would be the easy way to do this. Oh. Why am I buzzing? Wait, you say 1. Why do you say 1? Oh, it's 0. Okay. Are we good? Alright, so that's that update. I did want to look at this to see how our queue time went. 4 minutes? That's not bad. 3 minutes? This was way better than it used to be. Holy shit. Way better. Repair timed out at 180. Those are probably the Cloud Foundation thing. Hey, what's up, Johnny McGamer? Thank you for the follow. Or Ansible. It's probably Ansible. Fucking Ansible. But otherwise, looks pretty good. A lot of runs happened in this chunk of time here, so that it, you know, kept up to scales is pretty good. Yeah, we've got user McName and Johnny McGamer. Yeah, it's true, it's true. 1-0, what's the difference? Well, exactly 1. Oh, I should delete this dev email. The run dead letter. This was in dev. Fixed by. Oh, also I realized that this loops through the emailer, so I can just email it to myself instead. Oops. I want pre.commit.ci plus dev@gmail.com. This was in dev, fixed by handling directory. Recommit config is a directory gracefully. Send, Arcus ran, and archive. Cool. Hey, Johnny Gamer, hello. I guess we were both inspired by McDonald's. That doesn't necessarily have to be how that goes, but yeah. Oh, you scrolled up in Dick Sword. I see, Marsha. I understand. Okay, but that's this for today. So let's do some open source stuff now. First thing that we have to do is in here. See what's in my feed there. One of these didn't merge. This one. So I have a choice here. This thing is technically unmaintained. I think I'm done maintaining it, so I think we're gonna sunset this library Because it fails with the newest version of 6, because 6 added a loader that always produces an error in Python 2 if you try and call it. And so I could also just fix it. It might not be hard to fix it. I guess let's try and fix it. As much as I don't want to. Maybe we'll fix it and then we'll delete it. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so if we do talks-e py27, it should error on 6. I think we just need to put some version-specific code. Yeah, so a lot of errors there, and yeah, so this is the problem here. If entry is not self, if sys.version info is less than 3, and entry.find module path is not none. Or I guess it was just Boolean check here before. Return true, elif sys.version info is greater than or equal to 3, and entry that finds spec Wait, how is this supposed to work? God damn it, you almost triggered the bot, Johnny McGamer. You were very close. If you didn't use the word actually, it would have auto answered you. Wait, this is more subtle than this. So in Python 2 we should only check one of the attributes, but in Python 3 we should check both of them. So I think what we actually need to do here is info is greater than or equal to 3, and this or this. That should fix this. Just they're slow because they're subprocesses. Really? What's not covered? 44? Hello? How? Hello? $98. Huh. Whoa. I think we just delete this. I think we just delete this. This is not worth fixing. This is a very fun project. Basically, it's post-import hooks that I haven't really seen anywhere else, but I don't have a use for this anymore. The only thing that I use that use this, I'm also going to deprecate as well. So let's at least do that. Deprecated. This library is deprecated without replacement. Maybe check out wrapped. And let's turn off CI for it. How do I do that? Oh, I don't. Fuck. I hate logging into Microsoft. 1 click, 2 clicks, 3 clicks, 4 clicks. And I've learned I need a 5th click here, otherwise it doesn't actually log me in. And then I have to go back to here and then reopen this. That should be a UX bug. It's always been so bad. Anytime I've reported it, they've been like, you have 2 accounts. And I'm like, no, I don't. Alright, so delete. Then I gotta also delete it on Precommit CI as well. It's called a journey, yeah. If you're gonna count the clicks, you should do it in the voice of the count from software. 6 clicks! 6 clicks! Like that? Is that what you wanted? Well, that's weird. Alright, so the other shitty thing is this list isn't sorted. Okay. Deprecate PyMonkey, and then we'll do the same thing for pip custom platform. Which, Zither says, interesting, my friend is stuck on an inactive BART train and he suggests, oh my god, that's happened to me before. I fell asleep and then woke up in Millbrae and like all the lights were out in the BART train and I was just like, well, what do I do now? There is a door release. There's a door release. I think it's right above the car windows. That's how I got out. I forget whether it sets off the alarm or not. I don't know. Oh shit. My neighbor is moving like literally tomorrow. Oh, nice. Oh, sick! The 24th, the garbage folks are doing a large debris pickup, so if you have stuff put at the curb that day. Oh my god. This is such a fucking god. My neighbor's amazing. Well, I guess not my neighbor anymore, but I was gonna have to call the same sort of people to do that, but now that she's doing a debris pickup, I'm just gonna take advantage of that. Get rid of a bunch of junk that I have. I think I'm gonna get rid of my chair too. Because I'm gonna be moving at some point as well. So then I'll have to cart my chair. Don't throw out the plushies. We're gonna send them through the shredder. Okay, and then we just need to move that repository to the archive. And we gotta do the same thing for the other thing as well. Deprecated. Right, settings. Here's the transfer to assertion-archive. Man, imagine if you typoed that and sent the sent the library to someone else. I like how it gave me, it sent me an email that said, "Hey, Assertion transferred you this repository." Yeah, that's me, GitHub. Alright, and then, as it says, we archive this repository. You had a good life, PyMonkey, but now it is time to no longer exist. Alright, we gotta do the same thing for pip custom platform as well. Are the links on PyPI dead now? No, they should redirect. PyMonkey. So if you click on this, it should take you to here. Yep, it works fine. Now this one had a few more users and stuff, but yeah. Anyway, so what do we gotta clean up here? Same Azure Pipelines and pre-commit CI. Okay, here, and delete. Let's actually find the pip issue that we can link people to. That I put a bunch of work in. Chris and I put a fuck ton of work in too. How am I gonna find this? Should I think Chris made this? So author. Did I make it? Nope. Maybe GitHub is misinterpreting this. There it is. I knew it had a yellow tag too. That was what I was looking for. Okay. Riston Calzone's PyMonkey, yeah. Are you gonna move out of the Bay Area? Yes. What are we gonna do after this? Oh yeah, I need to drink water. I'm way behind on water. Thank you for the reminder. I will go fill that up as well. Deprecated. This is deprecated without replacement. Perhaps check out, or perhaps urge pip to implement IPA/pip 5453. IPA/pip 5453. Goodbye. You served me well. How far away from SF is out of the Bay Area? I'm thinking of moving to the suburbs of Chicago. That's my current thought. Zitru says my friend has been retrieved by the BART police. Nice. Before we deprecate, we are going to close the open pull requests and close the open issues. And we're going to move it. Transfer. Sleeban says those Illinois income taxes. Oh boy, what about Illinois income taxes? Oh wait, the BART pilot, not the BART police. Wait, the dude was still on board? Huh. Interesting. Hey, what's up, Mr. K? I assume it's Mark C. Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. What about Chicago for jobs? Because Northeast Central Wisconsin is empty. Tubeworm's here as well. How's it going, Tubeworm? Hello, hello. I'm gonna visit anything and hug the plushies. Oh no. Ken says, I missed something. Are you moving to Illinois? That is my current plan. That's not a very concrete plan, but that's the current plan. Hey, what's up, Talu? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Which city? Suburbs of Chicago. That is the current plan. Current thought, current plan. Good night, sweet prince. Your tone of voice does not exactly inspire confidence. Yeah, I don't know. Moving's so stressful. There's so much stuff involved with it. But yeah, there's, I don't know, ton of work involved with it. Hey, what's up, Eye on Fire? Hello, hello. Why Illinois? My friend lives there. It's close to home while being far enough away. Close to home. Yeah, I don't know, something like that. Mark C says, do you need a U-Haul driver? I'm still not sure what I'm gonna do about moving all my stuff. Because at the very least, I'm taking all my computers, of course. But I also have a couch, 2 desks, a TV, a bike, and an exercise bike. I technically have a washer and dryer, but I'm gonna try and sell those to my landlord. I have a bed. I technically have 2 beds, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with the other one. Because that's my roommate's that hasn't lived here in years. And then I have a couple of tables. And I don't know how much of that I want to keep. I kind of want to just start over with most of it, which means selling stuff on Craigslist, I guess. But I want to keep I definitely want to keep the 2 desks. Because I just bought the fucking desk. And I want to keep my new chair. I don't want to keep this chair. But I think even with keeping the desks, like, I would still need... Oh, could I fit this in like a SUV? I feel like if I rented a large enough car, I could fit the desks in the car. But I kind of want to keep the couch too, because the couch is kind of nice. And buying couches sucks. I don't know, I haven't thought about it. It fucking stresses me out so much. Are you moving when your rent lease runs out? I don't know yet. I don't know that either. I think my lease runs out in August, so I'm probably gonna move in July, I think. I don't know. Maybe. We'll see. I don't know. You look sunburns? So, part of it's the lighting, but also... So, I'm not sunburned per se. I am, like, significantly tan, but I am a little flush just from, you know, sitting in front of studio lights for 2 hours without getting up to get a drink. Which reminds me, I'm gonna go get some water. I will be right back. D-Dels, hello, hello. It's good to see you, but I'm gonna go get some water. I'll be right back. Alright, we're back. The answer says, maybe you'll love Oregon after visiting True and Jordan out there. That's true. That is also something that I'm considering. Yes, show water. Here you go. Here you go. We got water. I'm also considering that. So we're going to see how I like Portland. Although, Portland's like almost as expensive as Bay Area. So I don't know that it's really that much of an improvement there. Look, kind of says, you can rent a van with folding back seats and you'll most likely be able to fit the couch and the desk in there, if not more. Yeah, that's true. The thing is, like, renting an actual U-Haul costs like several $1,000s. Who gives a shit? It's just one-time cost. I guess I could do that too. I don't know. I've not put enough thought into this yet, so I don't fucking know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. And most of my friends have moved away, so I don't even know if anyone would help me move. Okay. But anyway, then that first thing. Alright, the next one, I don't know why I have set up notifications for releases on this thing. I think I had a reason for this, but I don't remember why. And I think I might be able to unwatch this. So, the one reason would be... Oh, it's on GitLab still, isn't it? GitLab. There's this project Flagate docstrings, which I maintain. I seem to remember that I was supposed to make a release of this. Well, I made one in March. So maybe I already did this. iPatch Gamer, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. iDoc still greater than 2.1. For versions 5.1.1 and below. I guess we can look at the pull request, see if there's a hint there. But I think I don't care about this anymore. I don't care to watch this anymore, even though I got this email today. You probably can't wear shorts all year in Chicago as well. Now with that attitude at the end of the server. I mean, I wore shorts basically all year in Michigan, so it'll be fine. Detail says, if you have significant furniture, I suggest hiring a moving company. Yeah, I'm still trying to figure out like how much I want to bring and how much I want to just leave. I don't know. You're not freezing if you can't feel your legs. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Issues. Duration. Yeah, that's never gonna get fixed. Oh! You know what time it is, chat? It's fucking drop song. Let's go. Once you're outside for more than 30 minutes, having cold legs isn't really a big deal. Yeah, it's fair, it's fair. Oh yeah, really, I forgot the tests for this are garbage. Okay, so I don't care about this anymore, so we can unwatch. I think ignore is the default? Stop ignoring. No, I don't think that's what I want. What's the just not watching? How do you unwatch? What the fuck? That's not what I want. Yeah, like this doesn't have watch. How do I unwatch? Have I broken this? Have I entered into some sort of... Okay, that's the state that I want. Jesus. I wonder how the climate in the Midwest compares to Germany. Probably the winters are cooler. Yeah, probably. Probably. Shorts and a hoodie was my normal college attire in Iowa in the middle of winter. Yeah, worked out for me, I guess. I think Unwatch's participating conventions. Yeah, I figured it out eventually. It's just a bit of a mindfuck for some reason. Yeah, I did it. I did it. It was you were right. You were right, D-Dolls. Anyway. Johnny Gamer says, just watched your video about Babby. It was cool. You probably get this question a lot, but why did you never try out Vim? And if you did, why didn't you like it? I actually talk about that in the video. I do know how to use Vim. I just don't. I didn't like it that much. It's fine. I'm fine with other people using it, but like I'm not gonna try and convince people to use Babby, but like I just didn't like Vim, so. Alright, so that one's out of the way. This one. This one, I think I already reviewed this, but they might have also changed this. Oh yeah, it has to backtrack to find. This is the change in the AST and comprehensions. This is such a silly thing. I don't know why we're bothering to implement this. I don't think this is, I mean, it's probably gonna catch some of my code. Alright. Greater than 3 and one target, and the target is a tuple, and the value is a list comprehension. And we find the opening brace, and then we find the closing brace, and then we replace the parentheses with square, or the square brackets with parentheses. Okay, doesn't get rewritten in Python 2. Doesn't get rewritten to a single assignment in Python 3. This is the base case. This is a slightly more interesting case. And this is the multi-line case. Not the multi-line case is a big deal. Seems great. Oh, the button's off screen. Stupid GitHub. Juicebox0, hello, hello. Good to see you. I like how this cat's like kind of like the, fine, I guess I'll give you a high five. One kind of says, I think the only time I ever wore shorts outside of my house was during a sports festival in my elementary school. It had rained the day before, so the ground was all muddy and I slipped in the mud. Huh. I wear shorts like all the time. I'm wearing shorts right now. Juice, you missed it. We had a whole segment about cat fisting. Juice says, I've seen him not in shorts once. Twice. It was twice, to be fair. Twice. But yeah. It was the first time you met my friends, I was like, oh, you're gonna wear shorts? And I was like, I mean, I guess I'll meet your friends and not wear shorts. But then I changed into shorts like halfway through. It looked like a fish out of water in jeans. I could put on jeans for you, chat. Do you want me to put on jeans? Changing on stream, that's a risky one. Juice says no. I didn't want to show the logs. Worst part about going back to the office is having to wear pants. Yeah. Yeah, I feel you there. Alright, let's release this. Free content before the pool stream. Yeah. Empire says time to find a new job. Yeah, just don't go back to the office. Easy. Fixed. The second digit's getting bigger and bigger. Two dot 16.0, 2.17.0. Whoops. It's gonna fail. Fine. Man, something about typing that command is so fucking satisfying. Grab the API password. Yes. DL says, today was the first day at my new job where I felt like I knew entirely what I was working on and where to look for things. 3 months in, not too bad. Yeah. Arclight says, does GitHub have a button to squash commits and not merge the pull request? No, they do not. It would be nice. I mean, there's bots that'll do it, but there's not a built-in way. Okay, so this is a big old pull request that Graham submitted that's still work in progress. And not surprisingly, the lints and tests are failing. Hey, what's up, 15 in 1? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. So, still have to figure some stuff out here, but I wanted to take like an initial look at it. See what it looks like. Because I'm scared. Okay, so mode and status are not provided by Mercurial, I guess. So that's different, I guess. Eco type. This should have an else that errors. This is a breaking. Oh wait, no, optional default to get. Cool. Not a breaking change. Seems reasonable. This is just the original code, I assume, and then this is the Mercurial part. Yep. That's what it's gonna say as vor. Cool. Invisational. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Oh, yeah, it seems. I mean, this seems reasonable. Mostly just moving stuff around. I don't think that's how this works. But yeah, this seems reasonable. Girl doesn't allow empty commits. Cool. Yeah, this all seems reasonable. Cool. Tests are passing probably for coverage reasons. Like how his GitHub is grimy. I feel bad that I kind of forced him to use Git to contribute to this project. Yeah, it's coverage. Oh, probably just needs a few more tests, but yeah. Took a quick look at this. Looks pretty good. Let me know if you want to finish it up, or I can probably finish it up. Let me know. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Marsha says bash Y. What? I've docs and stuff open, but how the fuck do I do like exit if I didn't give it an argument? Oh, so what you want to do is you want to look at the argument count. So let's see if I have any bash scripts. All repos grep. We're looking for $sign octothorpe. And this is gonna take a while. Yeah, here we go. So first what you do is you check this number. So this is the number of arguments passed. So this is saying if the number of arguments is less than 2, or the first one is not a directory, then print out the usage and exit one. So that's how you do it in bash. LT is less than, you can use EQ for equals. But yeah. And if you want to learn more about this, is that gonna, god damn it, explains test. Shit. I guess I could do explains is an executable. There we go. You can use man test to figure out the arguments to this thing. But yeah, I go over that in that video, so you can check out that video again. Man test, yeah, exactly. Exactly. All right, and the last one is this one. Can you put a space after the Shimbalongarino, or do you have to not? Yeah, you can put a space here. I don't like putting a space there. I think space there looks ugly, so I don't. But you can if you want to. Can if you want to. Alright, so... you forget the bang. Yeah, that's not gonna work. That's gonna run shh, not bash. It's gonna run shh. Alright, so the last one to look at is this one, which they bumped the versions here, but I want to... Looks like they just bumped RBF. Which changed the bytes of one of the files they didn't touch, so... That's why I want to make this reproducible. Why do we have a photo? I assume a photo of Alex Gaynor. XDG open repos pytest. Oh, it's a tweet from Alex Gaynor. I see. Pytest is pretty much the best thing ever. Not entirely sure why you'd use anything else. This is like really fucking old Twitter. Oh, and really old GitHub. This is what the logo used to be? That's the new logo. Oh, oh look, it's Seek. Small logo. This is presumably somewhere in Germany. Hey, what's up, Simplex? Good to see you again. Hello, hello. What was I doing? Oh yeah, predicament. Okay, so... reproducible tars. And presumably reproducible tars in Python. I think the main way to make reproducible tars is the you sort all the files and then you set all of their m times to a particular date. Listing make archives. So yeah. So we need to make these sorted or whatever. Which I don't know how to do. Reproducible tar python. We're just gonna hope that there's a stackoverflow.com for this one. This one sounds reasonable. You can use bzip 2, it does not have this problem. This seems reasonable. GZ does not work even with filter. Why not? Reproducible tar. I know there's like a website that I usually land on from this. There we go. Pipe file is an unknown argument first set. Pipe fail. Nulax says, how can I connect to your IRC? Do you mean this? This is Twitch chat. This is you right there. You're already logged in, Nulax. It's a program reg. Program reg. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. Or are you talking about Discord? Discord? Discord maybe? Join the Discord? Hop on into the Discord? Come hang out with us on Discord? Hey, some coding guy, thank you for the resub at 9 months. It's good to see you again. Look at your fancy new badge. Thank you for your continued support. How you been? I feel like it's been a while. I've been super busy. I got a new job. It's been a job. I'm a fucking stress ball. what can I say? Nulax, hello. Welcome. Yeah, I'm now working as a staff software engineer at Stripe on the Python infrastructure team, which is, it's a job, I guess. I've been gone for too long. No, it's all good. It's all good. It's good to see you. Why did this not open the page that I was looking for? Did it just redo what I was looking for? Just research this? Yeah. That's normal tar. Can you make a gzip tar? Reproducible tar gz. Oh look, it's Python, perfect. Does it just shell out? Please don't just shell out. Holy shit. Yeah, we don't care about that part. Open a gzip file. Alright, let's license this before I read more of it. There's no license. Hmm. 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 Hey, Piggy Dicers, hello, hello. Speaking of other people that haven't been around in a while, it's good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. Can't stick around for long, but hello, hello. It's good to see you. GNU tar isn't giving you the same tar file. I'm not using GNU tar, and even with GNU tar, I would still need some other special stuff. So I'm basically running a git clone and then tarring up the result, and I want to make that reproducible. It shouldn't be too hard, but I need to basically follow what this is doing, which is essentially, well, first find all the files, sort them, and then open as a gzip file and open as a tar file. I don't know why I can't just do both at the same time. Oh, probably because of this? I don't think I need this. I think I'm just gonna try this. Arc name equals entry. Filter equals reset. What is reset? Yeah, let's try that. Okay. File names equals os.path.join root fname for root comma this comma file names in os.walk. But I actually want to rel path those. Getter. For fname in file names. And we want a tuple of two things here. So we want the actual path, and we also want os.path.join name and os.path.rel path. Does rel path work again? If we took this, should give us dot 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 dot. Oh. So it's this relative to that. Okay, so we're just gonna do a loop. Root this file names in os.walk getter abs path equals for file name. That'll be our arc name, and then this will be the apps path. Okay, and then we do arcs.sort, and then we have to loop over those and add them in order. We don't really care about locale setting. We're always going to use UTF-8. entry. Okay. tf.sc4 arc name abs path in arcs. tf.add abs path arc name equals arc name equals reset. What's the other argument they passed? Cursive equals false. Oh, because it's also gonna get directories as well. Right. You technically need all those as well. Also, there's a typo here. Let's try that and see what happens. Abs path takes one argument, but two are given. There we go. How can it be Apache or MIT? Both of those are compatible licenses, so you can relicense both of them. The timestamps will be different every git clone. Yeah, exactly. I'm on mobile, can't really type. Yeah, don't worry about it. Simplex says, sorry, I got distracted. I'm doing good. Just doing list type conversion. Still learning. Buddy's helped me out. Nice, nice. Yeah, us, Dawak is kind of confusing. This is random, but I'm playing some type race to practice, and holy hell, my hands are cramping. How do you type so fast all the time? Lots of practice. I mean, not actual practice, but like... Timestamp is not defined. Can I just use 0? Okay. Let's see if this changes. Damn. Let's actually use one of the smaller ones. Well, that totally looks like it worked. Oh, I didn't want to do that. Must be the rel path that's wrong. Oh. Good guys, Scatter Bounce. Just doing a quick drive-by and hi and passing out. Have a good rest of the stream. Well, thank you for stopping by. I'll see you around. Yeah, thanks. Alright, is this gonna work? No. Okay, the right files though. They have the right timestamps. Oh, what the fuck? I guess we can try the layered gzip file thing. Let's try it with just tar. Let's try with just tar and see if we can get that reproducible. If we can't get that reproducible, we have no luck or we have no hope of getting the gzip one. Okay, so let's just do W. Did your typing speed increase after converting to an ergonomic keyboard? No, it got smaller. Is there still some randomness in the compression algorithm? I don't think so. Gzip should be deterministic. I wonder if it's modifying them in place. No, it shouldn't be. Okay, so the tar is deterministic. We got that part down. Now I just have to make the gzip deterministic. If gzip is deterministic. I don't know that it is. We got the tar's working, so that's good. Wow, they do a whole bunch of wackiness here. Okay, so let's import gzip. This is what, WB? Yeah. I don't know if we need this. We're gonna try without it. I don't know if that's right. Predicted stir bytes or path like not gzip file. Okay. Fuck. Why not? Let's try the mtime equals 0 thing. I don't think that's gonna make a difference, but the mtime equals 0 made a difference. Now it's reproducible. That's so stupid. What does that setting do? Gzip. I wonder if I can do it straight in the time. Mtime error is an optional numeric timestamp to be written to the last modification time in the stream. I wonder if we can pass that directly from tar file. Quargs. What is quargs? What is quargs? We're gonna try. We're going to try and just pass mtime here. Fuck. What is the quarks though? Oh, presumably all these other arguments, maybe? Blah, 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 blah. Okay. But if that works, then ship it. Of course, I have to re-tab this out. Shit. What does the arrow do? Arrow int on a function do? Technically nothing, but it is a type annotation. If you want to learn more about it, check out the second video here, where I talk about type annotations. Simlic says, you sacrifice type speed for being able to type longer? I don't think I actually can type longer on this keyboard. Gilliam Wibson, which I assume is William Gibson, says, first time seeing somebody code in Nano. I'm technically not using Nano, but I used to use Nano. But yeah. Yeah. Does it have to return an int then? No, if you return something else, there's nothing checking it at runtime. You can use a static type checker, such as MyPy, and it will give you errors, but nothing is actually enforcing it. But yeah, the video goes over all of that details, and I would definitely recommend type annotations for anyone looking to get better at Python, so definitely check that out. It's helpful. Very, very helpful. Oh, speaking of type annotations, we gotta figure out what this is. Tar info. Should just be tar file.tarinfo. Tar file.tarinfo. I hate that it modifies and returns the object. What happens if we... Filter. Filters given should be a function that takes a tar info object and returns the changed tar object. That makes it sound like it should be a new one. Is there a way to copy you? Nope. Well, weird function, but I guess there isn't really a better way to do that. Somebody says, want to become a malware analyst after college? I want to get better / good at Python before moving to a language. I see. No services Lambda? What do you mean Lambda? What about a Lambda? Stiggs was taken! Hello, hello, good to see you. What's the deal with each Fangish company having their own implementation of type checking? Seems so wasteful. The fun thing about large companies is they like to reinvent fucking everything. So that's why each of the big companies has their own Python type checker. Rebel Queen, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Now, in reality, the reason is because they want slightly different things out of each of them. Like, you know, all of Facebook's static analysis tools are written in OCaml, and Google's Python is slightly different, and well, Instagram's Python is slightly different, and Microsoft has been going like all in on TypeScript and VS Code, so you know it makes sense for them to ship a JavaScript runtime version. Like all these things, like you know, kind of add up in that way, but. This isn't specific to Python type checking. No, yeah, it happens. It happens for basically everything. Basically everything. Every company will reinvent the wheel, always, all the time. I mean, Stripe even reinvents the wheel. Stripe made their own Ruby type checker, even though there's like 4 other ones. But you know, it didn't fit the needs that Stripe wanted, or that's what the tech lead of the team convinced everyone else of. So you get another type checker. All right. But I think that's good. You know, these doc strings aren't helping anyone out. They were back when, yeah, they're not helpful doc string. Goodbye. Actually, honestly, that doesn't help either. Goodbye. Is this comment helpful? This comment's really old. I think this comment is like back from the very beginning of pre-commit. Like this comment probably, if git will follow moves. Yeah. All the way back to 2014. So real old comment there. The real reason is big egos. It's not always big egos. Sometimes it's weird stuff. But yeah, it's often big egos. Often it's big egos. Probably because one stupid thing wasn't configurable? Yeah. I mean, I rewrite shit all the time where I'm like, this is like 95% of the way there, but not what I need. So I completely understand. Namla, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Or it's like, you know, written in Go and not easy to change, or like written in some esoteric language and not easy to change, or it's slow. That's another reason that I would rewrite something, is too fucking slow. So I don't know. It happens. I understand. I understand it. Oh, the other thing that we should do is make sure that the Ruby stuff still works. Ethan, thank you for the bits. Apparently my messages aren't showing up as premium chat work. It does. Weird. Yeah, I don't see you here, but I do see you in premium chat. Perplexing. That dude Henry says, is the new Humble Bundle Python bundle worth it? Do you mind if I share the link? Yeah, feel free to share links. I'll warn you, I don't really know much about books, so I don't know how much helpful I'll be with you know, helping you out there. Make sure this isn't a oops, I want to pin the tab. Unpin tab. Mute tab, that's what I want. I want to make sure it's not W3 Schools. Okay, it appears to actually be Humble Bundle. Let's see. Do I recognize any of these books? Who is the author on these? Oh, they're all different authors. Who is the publisher? I actually don't recognize any of these books. It seems like they're all the same cover though. But if it's sponsored by the PSF, like, probably fine. I don't know. Don't know though. I have no idea. Perplexing your brilliant money-making scheme. Yeah. I mean, Crystal seems cool. Silly says no, stay away. I have most of them, and they aren't too good unless you're just super just learning. I see. It's no starch. Yeah, I don't know no starch. I don't know. You must know the book Automate the Boring Stuff. Yeah, that dude streams on Twitch. He's really fun to piss off. Because he intentionally does like the most asinine way of programming possible, and then just like bans people in chat anytime they're like not working. Wait, Shaz, why'd you time Ethan out? Are you trying to get it so you'll be able to come back? Wait, what? Oh, you're trying to fix him. Okay. I was just making sure you're on the same page. Hey, what's up, Topic Girl? Hello. Rainy Day Tomorrow says, programming books in general feel not great. I feel like the problem with programming books is like, as soon as they're printed, they're already outdated. In a lot of ways. Donation only chat, yeah. Premium chat. We're chatting Discord. Yeah, I assumed as much. Alright. Let's make sure the Ruby test will pass. Well, the first one passed. That's good. I don't know that they actually exercise this flow anymore. I should have done dash v. I guess we can collect only dash v after. Only Ruby download not found. Well, shit. Well, shit. Tar dash list dash f recommit resources. What do you mean, file name not found? It's right there! What do you mean? What do you mean, file name not found? Oh, we don't have that file name in there. It's not wrong. It's not wrong. So let's add that. Name Gitster. Yes. Okay. Alright, let's make sure that we're reproducible. Still. Sick. I've read a few of them and they were great, so TBH grabbed the interesting. What about Uncle Bob? Fuck that guy. Isn't he like a really not nice person? Oh, Ethan, you're able to talk now. Nice. What changed? Well, shit. Yeah, I should make. I don't even know how. I would have to use command not found to make well shit work. My phone works, but not my desktop. What? That's weird. That's weird. Okay. But this seems to work. Reproducible tar. Make the tar archives reproducible. God damn it. Why is gzip file not an IO bytes? See, every time I go here, I see this pre-commit and I'm like, oh, it's oh, it's not a pre-commit. They've reinvented it poorly. Yeah. Yeah, this is also a bad idea. But anyway, everyone will reinvent pre-commit poorly. Stay to live, gzip. What do you need to be IO? Is IO a protocol? Or is it not? Wait, what the fuck? This is useless. Why is this overloaded if they all return gzip file? Is gzip file a binary IO? Base stream. Oh shit. Maybe it's my VPN. VPN is probably shadow banned. Oh, perhaps. Huh. Solving tech issues via Twitch chat. Yeah. So why does this not? Where does IO come from? Typing? Oh, IO's concrete. Fuck. Wait, is it concrete? Why does it have abstract, all these things? Ethan, do you know the answer here? Do you know what I'm looking for? Hey, what's up, No Booty? Hello, hello. Do you know why gzip isn't acceptable as a IO bytes? Been preoccupied? Yeah, no, it's fine, it's fine. I feel like gzip should be allowable. Here's the error that I'm getting. I'm trying to pass a gzip file into something expecting optional IO bytes. And I'm like, if I'm assuming correctly, it's because IO bytes is a concrete type and not a protocol. And I would really want a protocol, I assume. But I think I'm just gonna type ignore. Even though probably doesn't actually care here. Here's gzip file, have it open. That's right here. So init is overloaded, but that doesn't matter. The rest of it is these methods here. I guess I could try and assign it and see what happens. Maybe it'll give me a better error message if I do gzip io bytes. Incompatible types and assignment. Well, that didn't help. Yeah, my guess is it's just because it doesn't have interfaces. Jillian Wibson, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. You have set the MOTD to MOTD for the 40th time. Congratulations. Yeah. I guess I'll make a typeset issue. Coin Guy Bree, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Anything else? And Jehoworts, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Use protocols instead of IO for gzip file. Duplicate of this one. RWX Blast Wave, thank you for the follow. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay, what actually changed here? I guess I can maybe apply the same patch here. Oh my. shadow banning is so scary. I mean, it makes sense here. Shadow ban a IP range of known spammers, and if you happen to use the same IP range through a VPN, like, yeah, makes sense to me. William says I had to follow for the nano babby editor. Yeah, strike through doesn't work. Unfortunately. Okay, let's look at what tar file actually uses. Oh, if I remember correctly, this sucks. File obj. File obj. So we need tell, seek. Oh, we also need whatever underlying compression methods. Oh, it's gonna suck. That's gonna make an issue. And we'll make a simple demo. For gzip, import tar file with gzip.gzip file out. gzip-f with tar file.open file obj equals gzip-f. Should be out.tar gz. Okay. Gzip file not allowed for tar file.open file obj. Minimal reproduction, Python, console. That's too many of those. Show that it works. Should also do MyPy version. Presumably, file obj should use a protocol of some shape? Question mark? Yeah, all right. Make tar file creation reproducible. The per company basis, like private internet access, is using a different IP range than say NordVPN, so when one gets banned, it doesn't affect all VPNs. Yeah, for sure. I was using PIA, but turned it on at one point and it was leaking my IP, so I decided to switch. Huh, interesting. Ken says, I'm so scared to find out one day that I've been shadow banned for a long time. Yeah, that would suck. That would suck. But then again, like with Twitch streams, it's pretty easy if somebody like shows their chat to know where things are. George says, is this where we report issues with PyTest? I mean, you can talk about them in chat. I would recommend going to the issue tracker for actually making issues. But yeah, if you have something specific, I can maybe help you out. Phone says, Anthony, how much longer do you plan to stream for? I don't want to miss too much by going to bed. I know, I'm like 3 hours in, and I think this is... Well, actually, something else just showed up on in my inbox. Somebody who didn't follow the issue template. Oh, it's gonna be really hard to find. Here we go, 324. Loop 324. But also they didn't follow the issue template. Also, if these are all duplicates of each other, no, this is something else. Yeah, this is unrelated. This is a duplicate. Do the strings need to be that long? Oh, look, it's me. Weird. It's almost like I've answered this exact thing. We'll mark this as a duplicate of the other one. I don't have a gold badge in Flink 8 yet, but... Anyway. But yeah, I'm probably almost done streaming today. Said in the stream at the beginning, I was first. Oh no, you were first, but I missed it? That's the worst. What is this shoe template? Tissue plate, yeah. The issue template guides you through like a whole bunch of version and frequently asked questions and asks you to search the issue tracker. It's weird that these got smaller. I don't know what these percentages are. I think these percentages are how much of the file got modified and not the size difference. Oh, my typeshed thing got closed. I think this got fixed in 5099. March 8th. Well, we can try and check out the latest typeshed. MyPy custom typeshed. How do I custom typeshed? What? Yeah, why doesn't this work? This used to work. Is my MyPy version too old? I'm on 8.12, which should be the latest. Check to install from Git. Because I know TypeShed moved around, but I thought that was a while ago. Actually, doesn't TypeShed get installed? Can't I just pip install it? No, it doesn't. Can I install from Git? Is that gonna work? Juice says, Antbunk, are you gonna stream from Trin Jordy's this weekend? Probably not. MyPy -- install types. I'm gonna try this first. Oh god, it's so slow. Nope, not fixed. So that'll need reopening. Appears not fixed. Uh, 900 is the first release that I have the new type shut yet? Okay, cool. Cool. Makes sense. We should stream games night. Or are we gonna do like an IRL games night? That would be cool. That'd be cool. Is this gonna get reopened? I'm gonna press X to doubt. Maybe Ethan will reopen it for me. I'll rebase this on once that merges. Ooh, cool. You didn't have the right fit for TypeShed? Oh no! Oh no! Well, hopefully somebody notices. Joseph Feredev says, hello, why do you use that keyboard? Because it was sent to me. Is the most honest answer. I don't know, because it's cool. I don't really have ergonomic problems, so it's not for that. But, yeah. I don't know. This is a neat keyboard. But anyway, I think that's going to wrap us up for today. I got through the open source stuff that I want to do. Actually, more than I want to do, so that's good. And we fixed 2 things in Precommit CI, so that was productive stream for 3 hours and 10 minutes. But anyway, let me do my little spiel, and then we'll find someone to raid. My name is Anthony. I upload my previous content to YouTube, and that is youtube.com/AnthonyWritesCode. I forgot to upload today's video. So you'll get today's video tomorrow. But you can check out previous streams as well as educational videos. And if you want to check out a real good one, scroll back a few videos and go and check out this one. That was a clip from the stream, but it's a nice disastrous story about software. And I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. However, this week I'm going to be at True and Jordan, so we're not going to have a Saturday stream. But I announced my streams in 2 places. One of those is on Twitter, and the other is on Discord. And that's twitter.com/codewithanthony. So follow me there, and you'll get updates like this. And join the Discord. Cool little place to hang out. There's, beginner's channel if you want to ask questions. There's also, memes, animals, food. There's all sorts of other fun stuff there. So come hang out with us on the Discord. But yeah, thank you all for stopping by. Let's go find someone to raid.